Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add templates to your pictures on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera icon or the library button to select a picture, and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the creative button. Tap on it and slide to the right side above until you find the templates section. Here you can choose from a bunch of preset templates. As you can see, this is how they look like. They are themed, so if you want to use one of them, tap on the get button and then you will be directed to a page where you can download an application where you can have access to these templates, and then you will be able to apply them and save these created pictures. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.